reporting.
Up first, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton is again promising the country that sections of the main building of the Cornwall Regional Hospital could reopen to the public by the end of the year.
Now, this comes 4 years after the facility was ordered closed after a myriad of structural issues. Kalisha Williams has this primetime news follow-up.
New year, same old problems. Ongoing construction at the Cornwall Regional Hospital in St. James. Since construction started in 2019, it has been plagued by delays.
This year sometime, more the latter part than the earlier part, for sure. We want to try to occupy part of the building. And we're going to work towards that. Not going to be everything, but we want to try to occupy at least parts.
But we have been here before. Several promises have been made regarding the completion of the project, or at least a phased reopening. So what has changed now?
What is happening now, we'll have to step up in terms of the pace. There will be some transitioning over the next number of months to another contractor for the final phase. That's the intention. And I know the team has been working long and hard to negotiate all the fine details so there are no hitches this time around.
Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton has been criticized for his handling of the issues at the facility since 2018, as Jamaicans bemoan the working conditions at the facility. The health minister is now assuring that the team has been working overtime to bring operations back to normality.
A lot is happening behind the scenes that you can't see, all combined to making the project management of completing this main building possible. And having been completed, can now do a lot more than it did before. And our intention when we unveil is that you're not going to see any signs of a reminder of what Cornwall used to be. You're going to see a brand new Cornwall Regional Hospital.
It's now left to be seen whether those plans will be achieved in 2023. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.